Good morning students. Today we study physics of class 11th. Chapter 1 is units and measurement. Our first topic is physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities. First one is fundamental quantities and second is derived quantities. Fundamental quantities and second is called derived quantities. Now, physical quantities are those quantities which are studied in physics, just like mass measured in kilogram, length measured in meter, and time measured in second. All these quantities are measured in study in physics, so it is known as physical quantities. We describe there are two types of physical quantities, that are fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Now we describe the fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities are the basic quantities. There are 7 fundamental quantities and the units of fundamental quantities are known as fundamental units. Just like we study the fundamental quantities by the given table. Fundamental quantity, its unit and its symbol. Now we can see here, first fundamental quantity is length. Length measured in meter, its symbol is m. Second fundamental quantity is mass measured in kilogram, then its symbol is kg. Third fundamental quantity is time unit is second and its symbol is s. Fourth is temperature, its unit is Kelvin, K its symbol. And fifth is electric current. Electric current unit is ampere, that is A. And sixth is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity unit is candela, its symbol is CD. And seventh is amount of substances. Its unit is mole, denoted by mol. Okay, so there are 7 fundamental quantities and its units. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which are not expressed in terms of each other. There are basic quantities. Length measured in meter, it is not possible. Length measured in second. Mass measured in kilogram. Time measured in second. These all are known as basic quantities. So these are known as fundamental quantities, basic quantities. Next topic is derived quantities. There are so many derived quantities. Derived quantities are derived by the help of fundamental quantities. So students, we can see derived quantities, the quantities which are derived in terms of fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Just like, for example, we can see speed. The formula of speed is distance upon time and its unit is meter per second. So this is a derived quantity. And मीटर पर सेकेंड, और हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इसमें किलोमीटर पर आवर. इट इज ऑल्सो द यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड, derived quantity and its unit. Another example, we can acceleration. Can take acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. So we can write meter per second velocity is meter per second upon second, that is meter per second square is also a derived unit. Okay, next we can take the example just like force. The formula of force is mass into acceleration. So we can write is the formula is F is equal to ma, and the unit is mass unit is kilogram into meter per second square, that is Newton. So students, force M into a mass is a fundamental quantity, acceleration is also a derived quantity, we can express in terms of fundamental quantity. So all are these known as derived quantities, because of derived quantities are those quantities which are expressed by the help of fundamental quantities, and its unit is known as derived unit. We can take another example, pressure. The formula of pressure is force upon area, that is F upon A, and its unit is force unit is kilogram into meter per second square upon area is meter square. So meter to meter cancel out. Okay, then we can written as such kilogram per second square per meter into second square, or that is known as Pascal. This is also a derived quantity. Okay students, so in this video we study about fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Thank you so much students.